Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. So this is the project I'm going to share with you today. It has the snowflake thinlits, snowfall thinlit die right here, this fantastic die, and it's on a belly band, and you open it up and inside is this present or gift is a high fragrance sachet of vanilla and lemongrass. Lemongrass is one of my favorite flavors, actually. I really dig it. And this smells very, it doesn't smell like lemongrass to me. It's sweet but also sort of, well, really lemony. I don't know how else to explain it. So what the sachets are, or you're supposed to put them in your suitcase or in your hotel room, or to put into a drawer to make things smell better. So they actually don't go out of the package. You leave this package and you put it to make something refreshed and smelling nicely. And since I'm traveling, this is one of my roommate gifts for my friends that I'll be rooming with. Thought this was, you know how we all tend to just sort of gravitate towards chocolatey gifts, and I just think it's a little nicer idea. This is more like a traveling gift. Now, I found a whole package. There's I think 10 in the package. And they're probably $1 each. So they're really inexpensive. And when you doodle them up using some beautiful, soon to be current products, I thought it was just something really sweet to do for my roommates. So, and I'm happy to use the products that I have. So I'm going to share with you how to make it. Now, you might not use sachets. What else could you put in? What other kind of thing would work for this? So I was thinking seeds. Seeds would work perfectly for this, or a gift card, same kind of idea. I'm using my Stampin' Trimmer today because it's just easier. 8.5 by 11 sized paper will make you 2. We're gonna score at 3.5. So I'm going to score at 3.5, then again at 3 3/4, then again at 7 1/4, then again at 7 1/2. Then I'm going to turn it around at 4 1/4 and cut 2. All right, so with the score lines facing up, so that's how I want it. I'm going to put the corner in at 1 inch, there. And then this score line goes right to the corner, okay? I'm gonna cut, and it's gonna make a little booklet like that. So it helps if I fold and burnish so I can wrap it around my head. Okay, so score line facing up, 1, and then put my little corner down, trim, and it's a little book. Okay, so I'm going to put Tombow glue in a very thin line right along that, and I mean, we're talking It's like 1/16 of an inch. Then I'm going to adhere, make sure that that's straight, and I'm going to adhere it down. Just like butt it up against that first score line. Now, if you really want to make good contact, you can burnish it closed. This glue is, once it's dry, it's awesome. All right, so I'm just going to score now, or sorry, finish burnishing those score lines. All right. So I've just moved some of the pearls or whatever right down so that it's not too thick there. This is supposed to be snug, and it's supposed to be open at both sides so it does its job. It looks pretty for sure. All right, so this is 3/4 of an inch Whisper White strip. I just put a little bit of Fast Fuse. I'm just gonna go, this is a belly band, right? And I do want to make it fairly tight. I have done the last ones. All right, so just a little bit of Tombow glue on my biggest snowflake. That's what's going to hold it all together. Here's some glue dots, finally into my new box. These glue dots last forever. Super cute little sachet package for my roommates when I go to convention. So much fun. And they smell so fragrant. So what I will do is I will package them. I will protect them by putting them in a little package. Our clear envelopes are really good like that. So that, and also too, so that my clothes don't, it's not overwhelming. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.